Irish, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. Let's go.
Go.
Okay.
This is okay. Okay, Benny, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm really full.
You're ready? Full or good?
Yeah.
You have to be good.
Hi guys, this is Benny.
And this is Irish, the best artist in Dubai from Philippines.
We are the artists here in Dubai. I'm a Filipina and
I'm Pakistani.
so this is our vlog.
And we are going to make you entertain today.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, you have to watch this video.
So what we are going is we will ask some random questions together.
Whatever is coming in our minds.
Yes.
In my mind, I'm gonna ask to you, and whatever is in your mind, you're gonna ask to me.
Yeah. So
that's how we're gonna do this video. And we have one reason to do this video. We will discuss also in this video.
Yeah, so this is a really random video. There's no cuts, there's no practice. It's on the spot.
Why we need to do practice? This is just a random one, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
It's just a daily conversation.
Yeah. So, Benny, what did you do today, actually?
That one I want you to ask in the last part anyway. We're gonna discuss about this. I did today the rejected painting from my client. I just finished it today, and luckily I just sent it to her, and she's really appreciating, and she loved that painting.
Nice.
Yeah, this is my second time, and I tried that, and this is the hardest painting ever I have done in my life.
So later, we will let you know why Benny tells us that this is the hardest.
Yeah. She could explain it. She knows everything actually.
No, I'm just with Benny to support him as a friend. Not just an artist, but a friend.
As a friend. As a good friend.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate that.
So, actually, me, you know, I work as a HR recruitment coordinator.
Yeah.
And then, I work full day, and then in the afternoon, like this, I will do my passion.
That's really good, you know. At least, and for me, if I'm an artist, right, I'm doing full time my artwork.
Yes.
If I had another job, I couldn't do that because it's really hard to make time for your art and for your job.
Yeah.
Because I tried so many times, I got jobs and I went there. And I really feel like I don't want to lose my work, you know. So I come back to my work and I really want to do my work. Because if I go to another work, I don't have time to do my artwork. So it's really, you know, it's not good.
Is it when you're...
But for you, I really appreciate you. You are doing really hard work. And you came from work and you're feeling tired, you know.
Yeah,
you take rest. Instead of you're taking rest, you start your work. You have some clients sometime, you know.
Yeah.
So it's not easy.
Yeah, it's really not easy because I really do love my passion and I want to be a full-time artist, but unfortunately, like him, but I really can't do that right now because I know I cannot.
Because she's busy in making good money. She's doing both two jobs.
Yeah, so it's really
one side is business and one side is job.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. But it's good, at least good. You are doing a great thing, you know. Yeah. It's totally depends on you how you manage that.
Yeah.
And for me, I really feel stressed and I really feel burden on myself if I'm doing two things in a one time, at the same time. You know? And it's not easy, really.
Yeah, it's not easy, but I'm really hoping that soon I will get this full-time job as an artist because this is really my dream.
I pray for you. Once you have it, you're gonna love it. Trust me.
Yeah.
That's our passion. That's our life.
Yeah, at least now we're not stopping our passion and we're still continuing.
We're learning, still learning, you know. I have learned from this painting. As you can see, guys, in the background, I don't know if you can see or not. So this is the painting that being 2 years in Dubai, this is my first client and she's complaining about the painting, the one I did before, and she doesn't like at all.
Okay, so
And then I tried hard myself to do this, like, I cannot explain it, you know. I wish how we did it, you know. Every day I'm spending like 3 hours, 4 hours on it, and it's been like 3-4 days on it, right?
Yeah, and then
continuously, you know.
then having a client with
And having a pressure on you, yeah. You have a lot of things to do. But
that's really a good job, Benny, because you know, in my if I were on your like situation, I'm kind of stubborn artist.
Yeah.
So if the client doesn't really want my drawing, and I did a really hard time for that, so I'm gonna quit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know you.
I'm gonna quit. So
she's a very humble person. She doesn't want to take any pressure. She doesn't want to do anything. Because she got job, that's why. For me, I don't have another option. I'm just gonna push myself to do this in the right way.
Yeah, but that's what I learned about Minnie also. So I knew how he handles the pressure during a conversation of a hard like client, a really difficult client. The way he talked to this client is really awesome.
Thank you so much.
He talks to her really calmly, and then the client wants to stop, but then she decides not to, because he talks to him really nicely, and he promised to do everything to finish the job, because this is pride.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
because you know, they are the only reason you're growing. That's true, you are making money from them, and you have to give them 100% of your best work, right?
Yeah.
So I did it because of that. I don't want to lose any customer from my side, because it's really hard to satisfy your customer, and she's the one of them. Like, I had some complaints before, but she's the hardest one.
But she's a good client, by the way, because she paid 50% of the price.
Yeah, in the advance.
And it's not just a cheap price, by the way, guys.
Yeah, it's a good money.
So it's a good money.
Yeah.
So I think she deserves to complain.
Yeah, she deserves to complain, and we have to accept our mistakes, you know. That's how we learn.
Yeah.
As we spoke in the last video, you know, by mistakes you are learning, right? And only learning from my customer, my people, you know.
Yeah.
Those are having orders for me, so whatever they have complained, I need to accept that, you know. So that's how I learn from my customer.
Yeah, and I learned from him also.
No, she's the best one. You can see all the
yeah, just a supportive friend.
She's not a supportive. She's the best artist in Dubai, you know.
I'm just humble.
Yeah,
we didn't know anyone, like a lot. There's a lot of artists in Dubai, but we knew really few. Yeah, so maybe some they already reached their goals, and then some of them like they doesn't want to to help like us, like we're not beginners.
Some artists, they are really busy in their stuff, you know. They doesn't want to talk, they doesn't want to have time for other friends, you know. Like for us, we love to help each other.
Yeah,
that's how we grow.
Exactly.
And some artists, they have their own personality, you know. Some they doesn't like to share their techniques and their stuff, you know. But for me, whatever you ask, I just give you everything, whatever I have.
Yeah, it just happened. Me and Binay's friendship really clicks.
Yeah.
So it's pretty unusual actually.
And it's really useful and helpful for
Yeah.
us, you know.
Yeah.
We help each other. Like we are taking video this time.
Yeah.
For sure, I'm a very lazy person. If I'm alone, I'm not gonna do this video right
Yeah,
now.
no. Me too. I'm not gonna do this one
And
alone
it's good.
talking
Yeah,
on
it's
my
a good
own.
energy, you know,
Yeah.
while you're having a good friend right around you. You know?
Yes.
So you will push each other, you know, let's go.
Yeah, exactly. So
that's how we do, right?
That's how we do. So, guys, if you have really like a good friend, you know, it's really worth to keep, especially the same passion as you. Yeah, you just keep that friendship, and maybe you can do the same with us. Just
it's a good thing, you know, to find your passion mate.
Yeah, passion mate. We are the food mate.
We are food mates, and what else?
The gym mate.
The
Art mate.
Be
Art mate.
Yeah, trainer as well. She gonna be my trainer in gym.
Yeah.
She got big muscles.
No, I don't want. I already am really. I need to.
You want to lose your. Okay. It's good one.
Yeah. So Benny, so what do you want to tell our viewers right now? Like just like after this this video, what they are going to expect next?
I will tell them. Okay, let's brief this video now. We don't want to make you bored, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
We don't want to take you long for this video. Whatever, I just wanna say, I just learned from this painting. I just want to tell whoever is watching my video, it doesn't matter if he's an artist, it doesn't matter from another field, you know.
Yeah.
So I just wanna say that if you guys really love your work, so whoever is complaining, you have to accept them and you have to correct them.
Yes.
Because they are paying you for this, and you really have to accept the challenges, whatever.
Correct.
So keep learning, keep practicing, okay? So never stop, never give up, because
don't quit.
I was supposed to give up that. I don't want to
don't
do this
quit.
again. Even my client, she said, please don't do that again. I'm really upset for the one you did already. So that's what I said to her, and she's really happy now, and at least thankfully she's
and we eat
satisfied.
in the restaurant.
Yeah, I treat her now because we already promised that if the client she gonna love it, we gonna have dinner.
Yes.
So we did dinner, a good one, a good meal, healthy meal.
Yes, it's really healthy meal.
So
very good.
Tell me something about yourself, Irish. Tell me the hardest painting ever you done in your life.
The hardest paint? Actually, it's not a paint.
Okay.
It's a
portrait.
It's a portrait, a graphite portrait. So, I really love graphite portrait because I do love doing the detailing. So, I kind of love doing myself a challenge, and like this one, I don't know how.
Yeah, just show them.
So, this is a big one.
It's really awesome, Irish.
Yeah, so this
you
one.
You can see the details. It's realistic.
I took this one since 2021. That was December 2021.
And tell me, like, did you calculate how many hours did you spend on it?
Actually no, but for sure it
almost.
It took maybe 30 hours, more than that.
Hours.
Yeah, because you have to do the details of it, and
there's so many details we can see.
There's a lot of erasers,
there's a lot of details.
and so I used some graphite powder also. So, and this drawing is kind of emotional for me because that's the time I was struggling.
Yeah, every art has story,
Yeah.
There is a story. Only the artist I can understand.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the most emotional drawing that I have, and
I'm
the
gonna
longest.
cry now.
And the longest art that I finished. So yeah, that's the
good one. I'm feeling so sad.
Don't be sad. We're here to
Entertain our audience.
this.
Yeah. I hope they're gonna love this video, or maybe they learn from this video.
Yes. And maybe soon we will have a new video together.
Yeah.
Especially
This
to
will be
our
on my next episode, as I promised to you guys, and I posted one of my episode on my masterpiece, and we're gonna shoot together because I was lazy, to be honest, and she's with me
I
now.
will push him to finish it.
That's the good energy for each other.
Yeah. So see you guys on our next video.
Cheers.
Thank you, Benny.
Do not forget to follow us on Instagram.
Yes.
And
what's your Instagram,
TikTok.
by the way?
Beanie Artist.
Beanie Artist, and mine it's kind of difficult to spell. It's Saoirseart, Saoirseart.portraits.
Okay.
But I will just put it on the link.
We're gonna mention your ID.
Yeah.
Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
YouTube channel, yeah.
Do follow her, guys. To support her. This video will be posted on my channel or yours.
And my channel.
Yeah,
So
we're gonna both post this video
yes.
on our YouTube.
So follow
So
both
stay
of
tuned
us.
and keep supporting and keep loving us. We're gonna end up this video right now.
Yeah. Peace,
Cheers.
yo.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Nice.
Behind the scene.